Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Carmen with Elemental Designs. So today, you guys, I've been doing some purchasing online because you guys know that's like my go-to place for crafty stuff. Um, and I had made some purchases last week, and I was kind of waiting for them to come in. Now this is not like a humongous haul. I'm waiting for some other things to come in, but I wanted to go ahead and just share with you what I received so far. I got from two different places. Now, this is Joanne from Joanne's and also from Jerry's Artorama. I'm going to share with you guys the Joanne's haul. Now, for the Joanne's haul, I went ahead and ordered from, I used the Google Express. It's my very first time trying it out, and I got a really great deal using the Google Express. I'm not gonna say that the deals apply for like every single store because I only, I was looking for something specific. I was looking for the Tim Ho clocks, and I just pretty much what I did is I put it in the search engine, and somehow I ended up in the Google Express. Don't ask me how because I really don't know how I ended up there, but I was able to snag some up for a really good deal. And for those of you guys that didn't see before I get into this. Um, Pretty much what got me going is that I had created my own little version, like my own little DIY kind of clock. It doesn't really look too much like a clock, but I think it still looks pretty cute. It's very whimsical looking. And I had to share with that, and I had put like a little tea light in the bottom, and I pretty much, uh, decorated this whole thing. So I wanted to actually make one out of a Tim Hortons clock. So this was like my first, trying it out just to see kind of like how to decorate it and stuff like that. And at least one of the ways of decorating it. So to not make a story too long, I went on Google. I was looking for the images, and I had seen that they had these for like almost $10 everywhere. And this is what the clock looks like. And I'm gonna take it out the box for you guys. So I found them for like $5. And I guess Joann's has like a special arrangement with Google. And so I got it for like $5 each. Plus, since it was my first time shopping there, if I spent $15, I would get free shipping. Plus, I got 20% off my first order. And I probably should have gotten more stuff, but I wasn't really looking for nothing else. I was mainly looking for this, so I got 3 of them, you guys. Now, here's a funny little backstory with this whole situation here. You obviously got to put like your credit card information and stuff like that, and I was just not really feeling too comfortable with leaving my credit card information on the Google website, just for some strange reasons. So after I made my purchase and the transaction went through, I went ahead and deleted my information, my credit card information off of the site, right? So like 2 days later, I end up getting like a cancellation notice, like the order was canceled. And I'm like, oh no! So I started freaking out because like I was waiting for this. So I kind of like got messed up because I should have waited probably till I got my order before I went ahead and took that out of there. I just, you never know. So I went ahead and was looking for more, and they didn't have any. They only had 1 left, and I was like, oh. And then they wanted more for it because I guess because it was like the first time I was using it, I got a really great deal. And I even went to the Joanne site, and even at Joanne's, they only have 1, so their stock is pretty much very is linked. So I was like, no. So I ended up going on eBay, and I found something similar, which I'll be showing you guys once I get those. But I went ahead and purchased another 3, not Tim Holtz, but like the twin bell clocks off of eBay. I got them for a really good deal as well, and those will be getting here soon, and I'll be sharing that with you guys. But this is pretty much what the Tim Ho clock looks like. I didn't buy too many things. I just pretty much made my minimum purchase. Again, because I wasn't too sure. I never used that site before, and I just didn't want to go and buy a whole bunch of stuff and then like have issues later on. But I got a confirmation yesterday. I got an email yesterday and said my package was on the way and it was going to be arriving here today. I was like, what the heck? I thought that this was canceled. So, I mean, at the end of the day, it was still a good deal. I still had a really good deal. So this is pretty much what the clock is. So it's hollowed out. It's completely metal. Everything is bolted on the inside. Um, so this is pretty much what it is. It has a lid. You pull it off. You take it on. You put it on. So what I'm gonna do is that with the other ones that I'm gonna get, I'm still kind of debating if I want to just put one of these towards a giveaway that I'm gonna be having. I've gathered like some dies and stuff like that. And I'll be adding more to that with a little bit of time. But I wanted to more or less, I wanted to alter one of these things, like really, really go ham and alter one of these on one of my live streams. So that'll be coming up soon. Um, and I made one to give away on my live, and then one that I'm going to keep for myself. And then, again, I'm not sure if I'm going to save this just to alter maybe on another day and then work with the other ones. So I'll have to see when the other ones get here, like more or less how, if they're the same thing. And if I could alter them the same way. Because the other ones are actually clocks. So I'll have to take some stuff apart and stuff like that. So I got 3 of these. And I'm really, really excited. Like I said, I paid like it was like $5.50 for them. And I think they go for like $10 or something like that. And in some places even more. I know eBay had them. The price was like ridiculous on eBay. So I was like, no, I'm not buying them from there. So I ended up buying an alternate solution. So I got that. I also got this really small flower punch because I'm always in need of like small flowers and I'm kind of tired of buying them by the packs. So I got this really small one. And I'm going to try to see if I can get some more of these little small ones and different size ones because I don't have any flower punches. Everything I got to do, with the regular die cutting machine. And you got to do 1 or 2 because it only cuts but through a certain amount of paper at a time. And then I also got these little, they're called artist button embellishments. Like this, I definitely overpaid for. And if I would have known, if I would have really paid attention at how many pieces it was in it, I probably wouldn't have got it. I paid $3.49 for this. This, I think I paid like $3. So this was a good deal as well for $3 because everywhere else was like 6 or 7. But got these cute little embellishments because this is stuff that I'm gonna be using on the clock. And it's got some buttons. Some of them are not buttons, even though it's supposed to be like a button bag or a bag of buttons. But really cute little plasticky types of embellishments that I'm gonna be able to like cut apart and use up and stuff like that. So that's pretty much what I got from there. And then the Jerry's Artorama had like a really huge sale on art supplies and stuff like that. So I did go ahead and end up getting me some things. So I'm going to share with you guys what I got from there. And like I said, I've been doing some retail therapy, as they call it, online. And I got some things from different places, mostly from eBay. I found a lot of new items that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. Hopefully once they get here, so just give it a little bit of time because it will get here soon. The first thing I want to say is from Jerry's Artorama. They sent me this really cute collapsible bag. I think everybody got a gift with purchase. People that spend more money obviously got, different kind of gift that you can choose from, but mine was a little bit more on the automatic side. And I got this collapsible water bag. And I like the fact that it's got the hook because I can just hook it. I can fill it up with water and leave it like a little reservoir. I won't be drinking out of this most likely. I'll just be using it mostly to replenish like my water when I do art and watercolors and stuff like that. But it's really cute. And it comes with this little ring. And it comes with this little diagram right here, which I thought was really cute because I can use this right here like a little reference. So I'm going to be cutting that into a little square and kind of using that like a reference for, drawing people and stuff like that. So that'll work well. I actually want to get me one of these little figurine things. I've just read some really crazy reviews. Hopefully that truck doesn't pass through here. I've read some really like different reviews from different people that have purchased like different ones. So I'm a little bit like wary about buying one because I've heard like they'll fall apart, or when you try to move them in different positions, like they'll collapse on you and stuff like that. So I have to try to find one that won't break down on me. But that's pretty much what I got for free from Jerry's Artorama. So thank you so much. Super cute though, and I love the color red. Super, super cute. And I got some brushes. You guys know me and my brushes, right? So they had like a really nice sale on brushes. In particular, this brand right here, which is Black Swan. I don't know if you guys can see that too well, but it's called Black Swan. And I got some round ones and some flat ones. And I mainly focused on getting like thinner brushes, although I didn't think they were gonna be this small, like for some of them. Um, like the higher numbers, like the 8 and the 10, like they're really small compared to some of the 8s and 10s that I have here at home, like from other brands, like from the ones you get at Michael's and other stores and stuff like that. These are really small, I would think. At least they appear very small compared to the other ones that I have. But I got a size 8. I got a size 10. This was a little bit bigger. This one is a size 6. And I paid between $1 and I want to say between $1 and $1.50 per brush. So I think that was a really good deal. I think that was a really good deal. I don't know. I'll have to see once I use them how good of a deal that was. And then I got a 4. So I got 4 in the flat, and then I got 4 in the round. And I bought these mainly because of watercoloring, and also I got these really thin ones because I can do like line work with them. That's the goal. Let's see how long they last, because my brushes don't last for nothing. So I got a 6, which you can see the bristle's not too big. So I got a 6, a size 0. This one's an 8, and you can see the bristle again. See if I can get it somewhere. It's not that they're not that big. If I can find one here to compare, it actually has a number on it. Let's see. Well, this is a Royal and Langnickel brand. This is the kind that you could get like in Michael's and Hobby Lobby and stuff like that. This is an 8. Now this is a cat's tongue. This is a little bit different. I think it's a filbert, if I'm not mistaken. It's a little bit different. But if you compare, let's say, the 8 flat on this to that, I mean, it's a huge difference, but we'll see. I never really bought like these kinds of brushes like that before. Usually I buy them in a pack. So I'm trying to get a little fancy. Let's see what happens. So I got these small ones. I mean, at the end of the day, they'll still work well for like doing like drawing eyes and doing like line work and stuff like that, like little details. So I'll still get a lot of fun, a lot of use out of them. So I got those. I'm gonna put these back in here for now. And I got something that I'm really excited about, that I've never really tried before, and it's this right here. These are called Charvin, and they're Charvin Paris, or Paris for us American people, and they're pure pigment, light fast pastel painting sticks. So pretty much these are supposed to last, you know, for a long time. Like they're not supposed to really fade out with like sunlight or exposure, so you can really create like art, you know, work of arts that will last for some time. And there is, comes like this with this little sleeve, and pretty much is a multi-purpose semi-hard pastel used for both wet and or dry. And it says master quality concentrated pigments, used as is or combined with water for stunning effects. Now I expected these to be a little bit bigger, like the sticks to be a little bit bigger, but they're not that big, but we'll see. I only paid $10 for it, so the price was really good, and it brings 48. And the box on the back actually has the light fastness of the pastels, so you have either 4 stars or 3 stars. Either way, 3 stars is good and 4 stars is excellent. Most of these are 4 stars, some of these are 3 stars, none of them are 2 or 1 star. So, and it comes like this little box. I really like the box, so we'll see how this kind of goes. It comes with a protective foam on top, and then it's 2 trays. So we have like all of our brights or cool colors here, and then we have our more earthy or warm colors here. Hopefully I'm saying that properly, because this is lingo that I'm learning, you guys. Every single one of the sticks is engraved, and to see if I can just kind of show you how big it is. They're not too big. but hopefully you don't need a lot to work it. That's fingers crossed. I'll be doing somewhat of a review on this, if you want to call it that. I'll be creating some artwork with this probably within the next day or so. So you guys will see me use this and see pretty much how well they work. At the end of the day, it was only 10 bucks, so it's not too big of an investment. But hopefully they'll be awesome, and I'll love them. I hope, I hope, I hope. So stay tuned for that. And the last thing that I got, well, no, not the last thing. I got two of these. I got one for Sasson. He has his. If you guys don't know who Sasson is, Sasson and Crafts. That's my husband. He has a channel here as well on YouTube, and he creates like scrapbooking pages, art journaling. You know, he does like masculine type cards. So if you want to go check him out, just look for Sasson, Sazon, and Crafts, and you'll see a little package of seasoning holding a brush. And that's his channel. So definitely go and show him some love and some support. So he's got the bigger one because he has pretty much filled his other one, not necessarily to capacity, but it's at the point that it's like bulging. For those of you guys that have been following like all the different series that he does, you guys know that he has pretty much put a lot of work into that journal. So we got him another one so that he can continue his artistic journey. And I got myself this little one because I never really had a small one. Now this is a sketchbook. This is a 7x7, and I thought it would be cool to like work in a smaller kind of space and try it out. Usually I go for really large books, but I still have like a really large mixed media, Canton mixed media that was gifted to me by my friend Isabel, and I also have another one, which is like another, it's like 14 by something else. It's like a humongous sketchbook that I still have a lot of room to work in, and I don't like to overwhelm myself with the sketchbooks, because then I'll just color on 2 pages and then not do much. Plus, I got some awesome Happy Mail yesterday from Happily Ever After, and she also gifted me a sketchbook, so I'm gonna be working with that. So I have a variety of sizes, and for right now, I think I'm pretty good. But if I catch a good one, I might not be able to contain myself. If I catch a good sale, you never know. So I got that, and I'm gonna be trying that out now. Just to let you guys know, it's 110 sheets, it's 75 pounds, and it's acid free. And it says paper comes from a certified sustainable forest. So, and it's got engraved A on the back, and it's from Art Alternatives. And this is a brand that you find in Hobby Lobby. So, I mean, not Hobby Lobby, sorry. Jerry's Artorama. And then I got 2 of these. I bought 2 because I thought that it was just one, so I'm just gonna give one to Sasson, and then I'll probably end up having another palette left over. But these are like the little flower bowls, and you can put like different stuff in. And I got this because since I got the new watercolors and stuff, I thought I can use one for like my acrylics and one for like my watercolors, and hopefully I'll be able to label them and keep them separate. Hope. I'm not sure, and I cannot guarantee anything. But pretty much it's a double set of flower palette, and they nest into each other for easy traveling. So I guess they nest into each other when you use it this way, if that's what they call it. Yeah. So one's slightly bigger than the other one, but overall it was a really good deal. I think I paid like $1 or $2 for this, so it wasn't that bad. So that's pretty much my haul, you guys. This is the stuff that I purchased from both Joann's and Jerry's Artorama. I really liked the experience shopping there. So far, so good. The price was really nice, and the shipping was really fast. So really happy. Plus, they did a really good job with the packaging, and I love the bubble wrap that they sent me. I'm gonna definitely be repurposing that. And it was really cool to get, like, you know, I never really get stuff like this before when I order stuff online, so this was really nice. This is a really nice touch. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do so before you exit this video. Hopefully you'll like it and you'll give it a thumbs up, and definitely leave your comments and questions down below. And yeah, you guys, I'll catch you guys soon. Bye.